It's taken all the fairy stuff off, so I'll get all the main parts like that, then I'll use some wet and dry and clean out the other bits. It's all looking a lot cleaner now. I'll just keep at it, keep breaking up the dirt and grime, and then yeah, wipe it all down and see what I'm left with. I could bicarb blast it, but I just can't be bothered with the mess of it all. So we'll just keep going down this road and see where we end up. So the cleaning's coming along pretty good. But I bought a new little upgrade for the shed, which is this LED Arlec light. So I'll plug it in and have a look at the difference this thing makes. So, pretty good. Got me out of the dark ages. It's bright as, about $80. So now I could probably actually see what I'm up to. Right, so what I'm going to do, the time has come, this bracket's coming off, and we'll go try out that new coating. Here's the Cerakote. It's really good. Factory finish. So it's what you'd see on a lot of gun barrels and that sort of things. So that will look pretty cool. So we can put him on now. And the nut came out really good as well. You can still see the machining marks in the nut, so it's very thin. There you go. Best bit on the whole bike.